Thinking about buying the GoPro Hero 13? Before you hit that purchase button, let's dive into what you need to know to make an informed decision. The Hero 13 brings some exciting new features, but it might not be for everyone. First off, the standout upgrade is the improved image stabilization. The new Hypersmooth 6.0 technology promises even smoother footage, making it perfect for action shots or bumpy rides. Plus, the upgraded sensor now supports 6K video recording and better low-light performance, which means sharper, clearer footage in almost any environment. However, with these upgrades comes a downside: battery life. The Hero 13 continues to struggle with heavy use, especially when recording at higher resolutions or with advanced features like GPS on. Be prepared to carry extra batteries if you're planning on a full day of shooting. Let's talk about the new AI-powered editing features. While the Hero 13 can automatically highlight your best moments, these features are best suited for casual users. If you prefer to have full control over your edits, this might not be a major selling point for you. The GoPro Hero 13 also boasts a new design with improved waterproofing and a more durable build. However, this comes at a higher price point compared to previous models. If budget is a concern, you might want to weigh the Hero 13 against the Hero 12 or even earlier models, which still offer great performance at a lower cost. In summary, the GoPro Hero 13 is packed with impressive upgrades, making it a powerful tool for creators and adventurers alike. But consider your needs carefully. If you're after the latest and greatest in action cam tech and don't mind the higher price, the Hero 13 is a fantastic choice. But if you're just looking for reliable performance at a lower cost, you might find better value in older models. So, is the GoPro Hero 13 worth it? That depends on what you're looking for. Hopefully, this breakdown helps you decide if the Hero 13 is the right fit for your adventures. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what feature excites you the most about the Hero 13. See you in the next one.